everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for the final 30-minute meal, I am making a skinny cashew chicken stir fry. So if you like 30-minute meals, subscribe and keep watching. Alright, welcome back. So the first thing I want to do is create the sauce that's going to be coating this entire dish. So in front of me, I have all the ingredients that I need. So first off, I have some coconut aminos. You can just use regular soy sauce as well. This is just gluten-free. I also have some garlic paste, a little bit of honey, some peanut butter. I use this peanut butter that I get from Trader Joe's. It's a little bit of a healthier one, low calorie, but you can use just regular peanut butter. All right. And then a little bit of sesame oil. And then just take a whisk and just whisk it all up. All right, so since this is a little bit thinner than I want, I have a little bit of cornstarch and water. So I'm just gonna take about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix it in with a little bit of plain water. And then just add it to my sauce. Okay, and then you just whisk this and you're gonna set it aside and move on to the next step. All right, so now that our sauce mixture is set aside, I'm gonna take a little bit of coconut oil and put it on a pan that's on medium. Once that is warmed up, I'm gonna add in about a pound of chicken that I have cubed up. That looks good. And then just fry this up for a couple minutes until the chicken is a little bit white. All right, so that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper. Just start off with a little bit and taste at the end because you are going to add that mixture that has soy sauce or the coconut aminos in it. And then I'm gonna add some chopped onions and garlic to this and saute for just a few minutes. Okay, so that looks good. Now we're gonna add in all our veggies. So I have some sugar snap peas, broccoli, red bell pepper, and some carrots. These two I've julienned, and then these are just whole. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this, and you're just gonna saute this for about 5 minutes, and then we'll show you what's next. Okay, so I've been stir frying this for about 5-6 minutes. The colors look so pretty. Now I'm just gonna add in my cashews and some green onions. And then also, I'm going to add in that sauce that we made earlier. And then stir this for another few minutes, and then you are done. So look how fast that was. All right, guys, this is done. Just took about 5 more minutes, and there you guys go. If you want a little bit of a thicker consistency, all you have to do is add a little bit more cornstarch or just leave out that extra water that I added. So I have myself a little bit of white rice, and let's go ahead and serve some up. Get all that veggie. Yum. And then I like to always add a couple more cashews on the top just because I love cashews. All right, so I'm gonna blow on this because it's extremely hot. Wow. That sauce is so incredibly flavorful. And all the veggies still have a nice crunch to them. Oh, this is so, so good. I am so excited for dinner later today. So if you like quick meals, I did this all month long. You can go back and check them all out, and then continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. So stay tuned if you like watching, what do I say?